Let's talk about how Fintech Ideas helps us in making money online. Fintech, or financial technology, refers to the use of technology to innovate and improve financial services. Fintech Ideas have revolutionized the way we manage and make money, making it easier than ever to earn money online. In this article, we will explore some fintech ideas that can help you make money online. Online payment services. Online payment services such as PayPal, Stripe, and Square have made it easy to receive payments online. These services enable businesses to accept payments from customers all over the world. With these services, you can sell products or services online, receive payments, and transfer the funds to your bank account. Online investing. Online investing platforms like Robinhood, Stash, and Acorns have made it easier than ever for people to invest in the stock market. These platforms offer low or no minimum investment amounts and low transaction fees, making it easy for anyone to start investing. With these platforms, you can invest in individual stocks, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or mutual funds. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms such as Lending Club, Prosper, and Upstart allow individuals to lend money to other individuals or businesses. These platforms cut out traditional financial institutions, allowing borrowers to get lower interest rates and lenders to earn higher returns. Peer-to-peer lending can be a great way to earn passive income, as you earn interest on the money you lend. Digital currencies. Digital currencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, have created new opportunities for earning money online. Cryptocurrency trading platforms, such as Coinbase and Binance, allow users to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. You can also earn money by mining cryptocurrencies, where you use your computer's processing power to solve complex mathematical problems and earn cryptocurrency as a reward. Online freelancing. Freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with businesses and individuals who need their services. If you have skills in writing, design, programming, or other areas, you can offer your services on these platforms and earn money. Freelancing can be a great way to earn money online, as you can work from anywhere and set your own rates. Online savings and budgeting. Online savings and budgeting apps such as Digit, Capital, and Mint help you save money and manage your finances. These apps use algorithms to analyze your spending habits and automatically save money for you. They can also help you create and stick to a budget, reducing your expenses and freeing up more money for savings or investments. Crowdfunding. Crowdfunding platforms such as Kickstarter and Indiegogo allow individuals and businesses to raise money from a large number of people. You can create a campaign to fund a project, product, or business and offer rewards to backers who contribute. Crowdfunding can be a great way to raise capital for your business or idea, and it can also help you build a community of supporters. Robo-advisors. Robo-advisors are automated investment platforms that use algorithms to manage your investments. These platforms, such as Betterment and Wealthfront, offer low fees and personalized investment advice based on your goals and risk tolerance. Robo-advisors can be a great way to invest your money, especially if you're new to investing or don't have the time or expertise to manage your investments on your own. Mobile banking. Mobile banking apps such as Chime and Ally Bank offer convenient and low-cost banking services. With these apps, you can open a bank account, deposit checks, transfer money, and pay bills, all from your smartphone. Mobile banking apps can help you save time and money by eliminating the need to visit a bank branch or pay high fees for traditional banking services. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for each sale you generate. You can promote products or services through your website, blog, or social media channels. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn passive income, as you can earn commissions on sales generated by your promotions even while you sleep. In conclusion, Fintech Ideas have created new opportunities for earning money online. From online payment services to peer-to-peer lending, digital currencies to online freelancing, and online savings to crowdfunding, there are many ways to make money using fintech. Whether you're looking to earn passive income, start a business, or invest in the stock market, there's a fintech solution that can help you achieve your goals.